Hi, in this video we will be doing example sums for valuation of goodwill under the capitalization method. So let's go to the first example. Example 1. From the following information, calculate the value of goodwill of the firm by applying the capitalization method based on average profits. The total capital of the firm is given as rupees 16 lakh. The normal rate of return 10% and the profits for the year is rupees 2 lakh. So let's write down the formulae first for valuation of goodwill under capitalization of average profits method. Goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profits minus the net assets. Here the capitalized value of average profits is equal to the average profits multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. So substituting the numbers, we get average profits as rupees 2 lakh into 100 divided by 10. Therefore, the capitalized value of average profits is rupees 20 lakh. The net assets of the business this is the only information given. The total capital of the firm is rupees 16 lakh. So we'll use that as the net assets. So net assets of the firm is rupees 16 lakh. Therefore, goodwill under this method is equal to the capitalized value of average profit which we ascertained as rupees 20 lakh minus the net assets of the business which is 16 lakh, which is equal to rupees 4 lakh. So rupees 4 lakh is the answer for value of goodwill of the firm by applying capitalization method based on average profits. Example 2. From the following particulars, calculate the value of goodwill of a firm by capitalization of average profit method. We are given the profits of the last 5 consecutive years ending 31st March. For 2019, it's 54,000 rupees. For 2018, 42,000 rupees. For 2017, rupees 39,000. 2016, rupees 67,000. And 2015, rupees 59,000. The capitalization rate is 20%. And the net assets of the firm is given as rupees 2 lakh. So we'll go ahead with the solution. Goodwill is equal to capitalized value of average profits minus the net assets. We need to get the average profits. We'll do the working note at the bottom. It's a simple average which we need to take. So we'll add up all the year's profits. So the total rupees 2,61,000, and therefore the average profits is equal to 2,61,000 rupees divided by 5, which is equal to 52,200 rupees. So that's the average profits, rupees 52,200. Therefore the capitalized value of average profits is equal to the average profits into 100 divided by the capitalization rate, or the NRR. So this is equal to 52,200 into 100 divided by 20. So it's 52,200 into 5, which is 2,61,000. The net assets is given as rupees 2 lakh. Therefore the answer for goodwill is equal to 2,61,000, which is the capitalized value of average profits, minus the net assets, which is equal to rupees 61,000 is the value of goodwill of the firm. Example 3. A business has earned average profit of rupees 4 lakh during the last few years, and the normal rate of return in similar business is 10%. Find out the value of goodwill by capitalization of super profits method, given that the assets of the business were rupees 40 lakh and its external liabilities rupees 7,20,000. So it's capitalization of super profits method. So under this, the formula for calculating goodwill is equal to the capitalized value of super profits which is equal to the super profits multiplied by 100 and divided by the NRR. We'll get the super profits by taking the average profits minus the normal profits. Average profits as given in the problem is rupees 4 lakh. For the normal profits, we need the capital employed. So the capital employed in the business we'll use the asset approach. The assets of the business is 40 lakh rupees and external liabilities 7,20,000. So total assets minus the outside liabilities 7,20,000, which is equal to 32,80,000. So this is the capital employed. NRR is given in the problem 10%. Therefore the normal profits is equal to the capital employed, which is 32,80,000 into 10 divided by 100, which is 3,28,000 rupees. Therefore, super profit is equal to, we found out that the average profits were 4 lakh, and we'll deduct the normal profits, which we ascertained as rupees 3,28,000. So we get the super profit as rupees 72,000, and goodwill is equal to the super profit, which is 72,000 into 100 divided by the NRR 10. So the value of goodwill of the firm is rupees 7,20,000. So based on capitalization of super profits method, we have found out that the value of the goodwill of the firm is rupees 7,20,000. Let's go to the next example. Final example, example 4. Rajan and Rajni are partners in a firm. Their capitals were, for Rajan rupees 3 lakh and for Rajni rupees 2 lakh. During the year ended 31st March 2019, the firm earned a profit of rupees 1,50,000. Calculate the value of goodwill of the firm by capitalization of super profit method, assuming that the normal rate of return is 20%. So let's go ahead with the solution. We need to value goodwill based on capitalization of super profits method. So goodwill is equal to the capitalized value of super profits which is equal to the super profits into 100 divided by the NRR. The average profits it's given as rupees 1,50,000 and capital employed we'll use the liability approach and add up the capitals of the partners, 3 lakh and 2 lakh rupees. So it's rupees 5 lakh. NRR, it's given in the problem as 20%. Therefore, the normal profit is the capital employed of rupees 5 lakh into 20%, which is rupees 1 lakh is the normal profit. So we get the super profit by taking the average profit, which is 1,50,000 minus the normal profit, which is rupees 1 lakh. So we get the super profit as rupees 50,000 and goodwill is equal to the super profit of rupees 50,000 into 100 divided by NRR is 20%, which is equal to rupees 2,50,000. So the goodwill value in this sum based on capitalization of super profits method is rupees 2,50,000.